Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience a game-changing tube cutting experience with this precision-engineered steel tube cutter. Instead of traditional rollers, 6 individual bearings work seamlessly to create a smoother cut and boost cutting speed around the tube. The contoured frame simplifies alignment, making it effortless to adjust the cutter for a precise, clean cut. Its specially designed stainless steel cutter wheel, complete with integrated hub bearings, minimizes drag and further enhances the smoothness of each cut. An ergonomic knob ensures that adjustments can be made easily and comfortably, putting you in full control. With a cutting capacity that ranges from 1/4 inch to 1 3/8 inch, this tube cutter is versatile enough to handle a wide variety of tube sizes and applications, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Elevate your woodworking projects with our innovative router fluting jig that effortlessly creates perfect, evenly spaced flutes every time. Designed to add a touch of elegance to columns, moldings, or furniture pieces, this jig takes the guesswork out of repetitive flute machining, saving you both time and frustration. Crafted from durable MDF, aluminum, and phenolic materials, it's pre-drilled to accommodate most market routers, ensuring a seamless setup. 2 low-friction, underside router sled rails straddle your workpiece, allowing the jig to glide smoothly along boards up to 9.5 inches wide, ideal for evenly spaced flutes on boards up to 8 inches. The router securely mounts to a pre-drilled acrylic centerpiece that slides laterally, cutting flawless flutes one after another. Plus, with clearly marked scales and writable, erasable indexing surfaces, setting up your desired pattern is both simple and precise, making your woodworking tasks more efficient and visually stunning. Introducing the ultimate cutting solution engineered for job site durability and precision. Powered by an industry-leading 10-amp motor with controlled power output or burns delivering impeccably smooth incisions every time. Weighing just 6.6 kilograms, the base swivels from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and is designed for effortless disassembly, ensuring your workpiece stays securely in place for precision cuts. The variable speed dial offers a range of 100 to 350 feet per minute, allowing you to tailor the speed to specific materials and applications. With superior balance for more accurate cuts and an ergonomic soft grip back handle for comfortable use, this cutter is built to endure. A robust steel shroud paired with durable rubber bumpers protects against job site abuse, while the adjustable saw blade guard keeps the blade safe and prevents jamming. This 12-volt max 3-tool all-in-one combo kit is designed to deliver exceptional performance in a compact package. At its core is the lightweight yet powerful PS31 drill, driver weighing 2 pounds, boasting up to 265 inch-pounds of torque and a reasonable 7-inch head length that easily fits into tight spaces. Paired with it is the PS60 jigsaw, a well-balanced and easy-to-handle tool, ideal for overhead work, delivering an impressive 0-3000 no-load strokes per minute for fast, precise cuts. Rounding out the trio is a compact 12-volt max work light that brightens dark work areas with a runtime of 3 hours per amp-hour of battery life. The kit comes with 2 12-volt max 2.0-hour batteries and a charger, ensuring you'll always have power. The PS31 driver offers variable speed settings and 20+1 clutch options for precise torque adjustment, providing versatility for both high power and high speed. Plus, all Bosch 12-volt max cordless tools come with a 3-year limited warranty for peace of mind on every project. Discover the innovative wall tile leveling device that transforms your installation work into a breeze. Crafted entirely from high-quality steel, this lever arm lifter lets you adjust the height effortlessly with a simple press of its comfortable handle. Its robust, double-clipped solid steel bottom plate creates a stable center of gravity, delivering an impressive lifting capacity of 440 pounds, along with a 6.7-inch adjustable range via a meticulously engineered spring. Designed with precision, this tool offers accurate positioning, fast lifting, and smooth lowering, with just a gentle press, ensuring your work is efficient and fatigue-free. Built with selected high-strength springs for extended durability, this multifunctional lever arm lifter is the perfect solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, consistently delivering top-notch performance on every project. Say goodbye to car cleaning headaches with the new Fantique Folding Hand Vacuum, a versatile tool designed to transform your vehicle's interior with ease. Its innovative pivoting design offers 7 adjustable angles, complete with a pull-out crevice nozzle to reach every tight corner. Equipped with an upgraded 80,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers powerful cyclonic suction of up to 17 kPa or 9 kul, effectively spinning dust and debris away from the filter for consistent performance. The hard bristle brush tackles stubborn grime and adhesive messes, while the soft bristle brush gently cleans delicate display areas. The 16.9-aughts translucent, bagless dirt bowl features a side door for effortless debris disposal, allowing you to clean continuously without interruption. Powered by 4 2,000 mAh upgraded lithium-ion batteries, this cordless, rechargeable vacuum charges fully in just 2.5 hours and provides up to 35 minutes of reliable cleaning. Ideal for daily car detailing and maintenance. SEEKONE 1800-watt Heat Gun, a powerhouse tool that redefines efficiency for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative device heats up to an impressive 1,202 gauges in just 1.5 seconds, delivering the robust performance you need for demanding tasks. Unlike typical dual-temperature models, it offers variable temperature control for precise adjustments, featuring a sleek black dial that functions like a rheostat for smooth heating modulation. An airflow switch on the handle further allows you to fine-tune the output, ensuring the perfect balance between heat and airflow across a wide range from 122 dars to 1,202 dars, with an integrated overheat protector that shields the device and its circuitry. Its scientifically engineered ergonomic handle minimizes repetitive strain and musculoskeletal risks. Versatile nozzle options, deflector, concentrator, and reflector help you direct or disperse heat precisely as needed for every project. Enhance your craftsmanship with this advanced rotary tool that combines precision, durability, and style. Forged from tempered high-speed steel, its performance and wear resistance outperform conventional blades by providing a significantly longer service life of 80%. Designed to work seamlessly with objects of various sizes, this tool minimizes damage while still delivering smooth, precise cuts on a variety of materials. Built for lasting durability, the heavy-duty blade is crafted from premium, sturdy materials, ensuring reliable, manual edge cutting on every edge. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use, while its lightweight, stylish design provides a modern touch. The professional 40-degree angled blade strikes the perfect balance between sharpness and durability, and the 360-degree free rotation locked into the housing ensures effortless cutting along rounded, curved, or straight edges, ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and industrial professionals. When it comes to tackling creative projects with flair and precision, the Mr. Pen Compass set quickly becomes your go-to tool. Designed with both seasoned professionals and budding artists in mind, this innovative set transforms ordinary drawing tasks into a seamless, enjoyable experience. It comes fully equipped with a meticulously crafted precision compass, spare lead, needles, screws, and nuts, ensuring you have everything you need for diverse design challenges. One of its most striking features is the spring-loaded head paired with a centered wheel, which expertly prevents unwanted movements, granting you exceptional control over every curve and line. The timeless, minimalist design simplifies operation, making it easy to adjust the circle size on the fly for those intricate details. The Mr. Pen Compass set is a must-have addition to your creative arsenal, guaranteeing precision and consistent results every time. Discover the ultimate cutting companion, powered by a powerful 10-amp motor that delivers superior performance without the worry of burning out. This jigsaw cuts through metal with ease, creating clean, burr-free cuts without scorching. Its quiet operation and adjustable cutting angle from 0 to 45 degrees ensure versatility on a wide range of materials. The convenience of an automatic stop function when the cut is complete, along with the flexibility of operating it manually or with the base. Designed for easy portability with integrated carrying wheels, it also boasts a sturdy aluminum alloy tabletop for stability and safety, and features a built-in LED light that illuminates the cutting area for precise work. Count on features like an ergonomic soft grip handle, an emergency switch, an automatic stop function, and a self-locking switch to prevent accidental startups. Additionally, the tool-free blade change lever ensures quick adjustment, providing you with a complete cutting solution. The innovative PCP air compressor brings a new level of ease and efficiency to your shooting at sea. Unlike conventional electric high-pressure air pumps that require oil and water for cooling, this model runs completely oil-free, ensuring cleaner, more hygienic operation without the need for an external water pump. For enhanced performance, it incorporates a sleek black oil moisture separator. This versatile compressor can be powered by a 12-volt car battery or by your home AC outlet with an additional 110 volts transformer. Delivering up to 250 watts of power, it reaches an inflation pressure of 4,500 psi and operates at 2,700 RPM. In tests, a 0.5-liter tank was inflated from 200 to 300 bar in about 8 minutes, and from 0 to 300 bar in 18 to 20 minutes. Designed for devices with tanks under 60 cubic inches and weighing just 15 pounds, it is the ideal travel companion. Remember to release the release valve after inflation, and avoid starting the pump with residual pressure.